partner? What do you saw? Okay, stop talking in 3, 2, 1. Okay, tell me what you thought or what conversation you had with your partner, Joshua.
For the pie,
Yeah.
I saw that like there's.
I'm talking to you.
Well, I think it's 1/4 of a pie, of that pie missing.
You think 1/4 is missing. Okay, do we agree, disagree with what Joshua said? Alexis, what are your thoughts?
I think 1/6.
Okay, she thinks 1/6 is missing. Okay, we agree. Who can tell me why they agree with Alexis and why they disagree with Joshua? Jordan?
Well, I don't really see 6. Well, I see 6 in it, but like, I kind of like, if you draw a line and like you divide it in 6, like they're even pieces, like with the one that is missing.
6? Okay, so you think that's kind of a 6?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
And I disagree because if it looks like a 6, that's not a 4.
Okay, so is a 4th greater
Yeah.
than a 6?
Yeah.
How do you know it's greater than a 6? Lola?
Because it has bigger pieces.
Because it has bigger pieces, bigger denominator. So Joshua, do you agree that that's 4ths? Do you see the 4ths in that pie now? Okay, do you think that is still that big? You think it's still that big? Maybe it's a little smaller? Do we know that it's exactly a 6?
No.
Okay, so what else did you guys talk about? What is the circle in the middle? What is that half over there? What else did you see? What did you notice? Jordan?
Oh, yeah.
Nathan, you can go next.
Well, I noticed the half, but I don't know what it's for. Like, I just see a random half.
So you see a pie on the side and a half on the side, and we don't know what we're supposed to do.
Oh, I know. I think that the half is there, and in that circle, you're gonna write like a greater than sign, and like is a half bigger than a 6?
So if you're writing a greater than sign, let's think back to what the outcome was. If you're thinking a greater than sign, what are we doing with fractions?
Comparing.
Comparing. So if we are comparing, Jordan thinks there might be a greater sign in there. What else might be in that circle? Oh, Allison?
You could draw half.
In the circle? Okay, think back to what Jordan said. And if we're comparing fractions and this might go in there, what else could go in there?
And the equal sign.
An equal sign or
A less than sign.
a less than sign. Okay, so now talk again and tell me what you think goes in the center of that circle. You're comparing greater than, less than, or equal. What do you think goes? Do you think a half is greater than a half?
I think this is a full number.
All right, stop talking in 3, 2, 1. All right, what did you discuss? What do you think goes in there? This is a half, and you're comparing it to this pot. So what do you think, Rem? You think a half is greater than what? Than what part of the pie? The one what? The one missing. Okay, so she's comparing the half to that what's gone. Do we all agree that half of that is greater than the piece that's missing?
Yeah.
Okay, what else could you compare the half to before we go to our next one? If we're not doing the one that's missing, what about what's left? Haley?
5/6 of the pie is left.
Okay, if we're talking about 6, I don't even care about the fraction. If you look at that pie and look at the half, would you say what's left is less than or greater than half?
Greater.
not the missing part. Now we're talking about all that pie that's left. You think one piece is missing out of the pie. So if you look at this pie, is that less than or greater than half?
It's greater.
Are you stuck?
Greater?
Okay, why do you think it's greater? What would half of the pie be?
3/6.
Right? So is that more than half left? Yeah, what's there, I agree. If you're looking at what's there, then we'd have to switch our sign to that's greater than half. Okay, let's do one more.
That was confusing. I didn't